Sarah, squeeze it like this. Squeeze it out. Squeeze. Here, let Mommy help you. Baby, like this. Watch. There you go. What is it? Stickers. Fun. Don't lose them. What else you got?
What is it? I bet it's going to be beautiful.
It's going to be beautiful.
I bet it is.
Do you want some help?
No, I can do it. What's in it? What is in it? It's a ring!
No. Let me see. Oh my goodness. And it matches your buttons. Aren't you glad you picked the yellow buttons? Good job. Put it on. Let's see how it looks. Turn it around. The big part goes on. There you go. Oh, it's like a wedding ring, Sarah. Look how pretty. How pretty.
Please name our Easter egg.
You found them all, huh?
Look at this one. Thanks, this is the same one as this. Stickers.
You want some help with that one?
But,
Here you go.
oh, hey! What is it? What is it? Another ring!
You're going to be beautiful.
Just like that. They're the same.
You're so silly. Put it back in your basket.